SurfShark VPN pros and cons. Hi guys, in this video I'll tell you about the pros and cons of SurfShark VPN and why you guys should go with SurfShark VPN. Also, before I begin this video, be sure to remember that there are discount links in the description below if you guys want to get SurfShark VPN for yourself. So now let's get into all the pros and cons of SurfShark VPN. Now over here, when you guys come onto SurfShark VPN, you guys can basically see all of their features such as changing the IP, browsing privately, and also traveling security as well. Now, the reason that SurfShark VPN is very secure is because SurfShark leverages on a few key protocols: the tried and tested OpenVPN as well as IKE v2. OpenVPN is generally accepted as the de facto standard with high speeds and security. So all in all, they have some of the best security in the industry when it comes to the VPN niche. They also have multi-hop connection availability. As well. Now, what is multi-hop? Multi-hop is basically having your data rerouted twice instead of once, so that your data is extra secure, not just encrypted but encrypted many times. Now over here also, you guys can see that they are available on both your smartphone, your laptop, your computer, and all your devices. And SurfShark in our testing has the highest speeds when it comes to the world of VPNs. Other VPNs have an average of 20% less speed than SurfShark VPN. Of course there are exceptions, but overall SurfShark is the clear winner. Over here, you guys can also see how much money they're gonna charge if you guys were to, of course, buy SurfShark right away. But of course, if you guys were to choose our discount links, which are present in the description of this video, you guys can get yourself amazing deals and end up saving a lot more money. So guys, these were some of the main benefits of using SurfShark VPN. Other benefits are that you guys can surf the web without being restricted. You guys can choose from hundreds of locations that SurfShark has, and also they have the smoothest applications ever. Like honestly, there are no glitches, nothing like that. They have the smoothest applications ever, and they have the best customer service as well. So like SurfShark VPN is basically an all-rounder when it comes to the world of VPNs, and you guys can definitely take advantage of SurfShark right away, and you will end up using it quite a lot. And of course, you guys can also save a lot more money with SurfShark as well. So guys, this was my review of SurfShark VPN, all of its pros and cons. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to get yourself exclusive discount for SurfShark VPN. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.